Hello friends, welcome to Genius Books. I am Vinod Kadakol, IAS Monk. We are solving this question paper of 2023 IAS Preliminary Exam Paper 2, which is popularly known as CSAT. In our previous three classes, we have solved about 7 questions, from general mental ability and numeracy, that is quantitative aptitude part. Now let me continue with question number 8, I think. Subscribe to my channel. Make your friends also subscribe to this channel. I'm giving you wonderful insights, not just solving questions. It is you are going to become smarter by watching my videos. So this I already repeated. Paper 2 of IAS Preliminary Exam. It contains 80 questions. Out of 80 questions, you are supposed to get only 27 questions right. Of course, there will be negative marks for each wrong answer. 1/3 of the marks allotted to that question will be deducted. So you have to be very, very careful. But generally, there will be 80 questions. Each question carries 2.5 marks, and this is a qualifying paper. You have to get minimum 33% marks. That is 66 marks out of 200. For that, you need to get only 27 questions right. Out of 80. Normally, this quantitative aptitude or general mental ability and basic numeracy, this part will contain around 40 questions out of 80. So from this, if you solve around 20 questions, the remaining part of the question paper, you can solve the comprehension, and it's all very simple. So it is not a big thing to get qualified in this paper. You have to get just 66 marks out of 200. Now we'll move on to the next question. This is question number 8 in my series. Actual question paper, the D series question paper, 67th question. Now what is this question? What is the sum of all 4-digit numbers less than 2000 formed by the digits 1, 2, 3 and 4, where none of the digits is repeated? Very simple question. This is the simplest of what we have solved so far. Such a simple question. I don't know why people are so scared of this CSAT paper. Anyway, how you are going to solve this? So always remember the place value and face value. Place value means here 1000 place, 100 place, and tens place, and ones place, that's unit place. So we are supposed to use only 1, 2, 3 and 4. Only these 3 digits are to be used. And what is the other condition? The numbers should be, a 4-digit number should be less than 2000. That means what? So in 1000th place, to get that number less than 2000, what is the condition? You should not get more than 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, because 4 digits are there. So this is the only tricky part here. Number that you are going to form should be less than 2000. That means in my 1000th place, there should not be a digit which is greater than 2. That means what? It is 1 only. So 1, 1, 1. What are the other possibilities? Start from here. Write 2, 3, 4. None of the dates is repeated. That is also another condition. Second thing was you can just change. It is fixed. 1000th place is fixed because we should not get a number more than 2000. So you can just keep changing these things. 1, 2, 4, 3. Next one is about 1, 3, 2, 4. And what else? 1, 3, 4, 2. Next, this will remain same. 4 is there. You can have 1, 4, 2, 3 and 1, 4, 3, 2. That's all. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers which are 4-digit numbers can be formed such that none of the digit is repeated and the number is less than 2000. So all these numbers are less than 2000. You look at that number, each number, none of the digit is repeated. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, I am not saying 1, 2, 2, 4 like that. So it's not repeated. So these are the possible numbers under given conditions. Then what? You have to add all these digits and sum of that they have asked. What is the, you can just add 4, 3, 7 plus 4 is 11 plus 2 is 13 plus 3 is 16 plus 2 is 18. Then this will become 3, 4, 6, 10, 12, 16, 19, 5, 9, 12, 15, 17, 19, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's all. Your answer is 7,998. 7,998. Where it is? It's here, no? That's all. Such a simple problem. Okay. Let us move on to next question. This is question number 9. This D series question paper. It is 69th question. This is if this is also a very simple question. If today is Sunday, then which day is it exactly on 10 to the power of 10th day? Very simple. So this question is based on calendars and all that. So now we can solve this problem. It is a very simple thing. In case of calendars and such questions, which day comes after 27 days, after 377 days, like that, the most striking factor about calendar is 7. Okay, so we have only 7 days in a week and each day keeps repeating after 7th day. So if today is Sunday, after 7 days again Sunday is going to be repeated. So 7 is the repeating factor here. So now the thing is, this is like, suppose I have 2 to the power of 3. Here there is 10 to the power of 10. I will take it as not this, one example. So how you do this? You can expand this 2 into 2 into 2, it will be 8. Then altogether there are 8 days. I want to, if today is Sunday, what will be the day after 2 to the power of 3 days? So 2 to the power of 3 is what? 8. So after 8 days, it will be what? You divide this by 7, you are getting remainder as 1. So Sunday count 7 days and again you are having this remainder 1 and it should be what? After 7 days, Sunday to Saturday, 7 days will be completed and again Sunday will be repeated. Similarly, you have to solve this. Instead of taking 2 to the power of 3, you have to find out what is 10 to the power of 10. Then you have to divide it by 7 because 7 is the repeating factor. Then whatever remainder you are getting, that many days you have to add. So this is very simple. You want me to solve or you can solve this? I think you can solve. But anyhow, I am solving the question. Let me solve this for you. So if you are with me, if you are solving, you can take your pen and paper. Write what is 10 to the power of 10? What is 10 to the power of 1? What is 10 to the power of 0? What is 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 0 is what? 1. Anything raised to 0 is 1 only. So don't consider that right now. 10 to the power of 1 is what? 10. 10 to the power of 2 is what? 100. This means what? 10 multiplied 1 time is 10. This is 10 multiplied 2 times because power is 2, exponent. So 2 zeros you are getting after 1. Similarly, 10 to the power of 3 means 3 zeros after 1. If you continue like this, you are getting 10 to the power of 10 as 1 followed by 10 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is what 10 to the power of 10. Power is very, very powerful. Okay. And do you know the concept of this power? See, we say, I told you in my previous class, in nursery class, my daughter used to say this. 0 means nothing. Okay, I told about this. And same girl, same my daughter, when she moved into first class also, she started saying multiplication means repeated addition. Okay, multiplication means repeated addition. Similarly, power or exponent, that means what? Repeated multiplication. So you are repeating the multiplication with so many times. Whatever power that index is that many times you are multiplying this base number. It's called base. This is index. So these two together power. This is power 10. So it is a repeated multiplication. It's jumping. 10 is jumping. Okay. So you are getting very powerful number here. Now you have to divide so many. This means what? So many days are there. After so many days, what will be the day if today is Sunday? That is the question. So you have to divide this whatever 1 followed by 10 zeros. Okay. So simple division 7 1 is 7, 3 is the remainder, 7 4s are 28, 2 is the remainder, it will become 20. So 7 2s are 14, 6 is the remainder, this will become 7 8 the 56, then it will become 40, 7 5 is a 35, this will become 5 will be the, then 7 7 is 49, so 1 it will become 10, then 7 1 is 7, 3 is the remainder, again 30, 7 4 is 28, 2 is the remainder, then 20, 7 2 is 14, so 6, then 7 8 the 56, 56 minus 60 is 4. So this will be whatever this number and 4 is your remainder divided by 7. So 4 is the remainder. That means this 1000 crore contains this 1428571428 weeks, that is 7 days packet, complete packets, and remaining days are 4. Okay, so this is the number which you want. If today is Sunday, count after that 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So Thursday should be your answer. Okay. So key point here is you have to divide by 7 whatever remainder you are getting. So that is when you divide that number by 7, you are dividing that number by a packet of 7 days. Whatever remainder you are getting, those are odd days. Okay, so this is how you have to do. Okay, now let us move on to next problem. It is also very simple, I think. Okay, I think I'll stop it here only. We can look into this question in my next class because it will take another 5 minutes and all that. So we'll solve at least 2 problems in one class. Okay then. Subscribe to my channel, keep watching my videos, make your friends also subscribers to this channel. Okay, like my uh, videos, give good comment. Please don't give any negative comment. If you have any doubt, ask it. I can solve you. I am always here to help you. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. See you in my next class.